Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my B-boy tutorial. And today I'm going to teach you guys two variations from your Indian step into your footwork. Alright, so the first one and second one is quite similar, but the second one will be more advanced because you're going to add in more steps into the top rope. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one I'm going to do the normal Indian steps first, okay? So I'm going to keep my left leg and a crossover with my right. Kick and stop. Alright, from here you can see that my left leg is up now. What I want to do next is I'm going to kick or straighten out my left leg to my right side, okay? But it's just not that I'm going to reach to the right side like this. Instead, I'm going to turn my body to the left so that it helps me to get my momentum to fit and place my left leg to the left side. Alright, so one more time. Indian step, stop, turn my upper body and place my left leg. Now from here I'm going to do a knee drop. So knee drop. Okay, very simple. So let's try it one more time. Kick, kick, right, knee drop. From the knee drop you can now start to go to any footwork that you wish. So that's the first one. For the second one, like I said earlier, is similar but it will be more advanced. So we're going to do the same thing like we do for the first step. Okay. Again, Indian step. Left leg to the left side. Now instead you're going to the knee drop directly. Now you're going to add in two more steps. So the first one is going to bring your right leg and hook it to the back of your left leg like this. Alright, so 1, 2. Okay, one more time. Indian steps, right. After the hook, you're going to bring your right leg back. And now we're going to do the knee drop. But this kind of knee drop is another variation. Instead, you're going to the knee drop like the one they used to do. This one, you're going to turn and go into the knee drop. From here, continue to any footwork. That's it guys, I just showed you guys two variations for your Indian steps to your footwork. Alright, so just play with it. You can evolve from the one that I teach you into your own. Okay, just adding more steps, be creative, and you're gonna get yourself a new variations. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.